Hi kids, A for apple learning. A for apple. B for banana. C for coconut. D for duck. E for engine. F for fan. G for grapes. H for hen. I for India. J for jelly. K for keys. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nine. O for onion. P for pencil. Q for queen. R for orange. S for snake. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for Veena. W for watermelon. S for six. Y for yoga. Z for zero.